Hello students, this is GK class. We are starting Unit 5, Go Global. In this, today we will discuss astonishing facts which is given on page number 35. About theocracy. What the meaning of theocracy? Theocracy is a type of government which governed by religious institution. Means religious institutions govern all the country and the citizen who are clergy have the right to govern. You know what the meaning of clergy? Clergy means the people who perform the religious ceremony in the church. Example, the Vatican City. And we have many Islamic countries are historically considered theocracies. Second fact about the ceilings. There are 5 temples in Kyoto, in Japan, that have blood-stained ceiling. The ceilings are made from the floorboards of a castle where warriors killed themselves after a long hold-off against an army. Means those were warriors when they fought against army. After then they killed themselves, and these stains they found on that particular ceilings. To this day, we can still see the outlines and footprints. Now, the official language of England. So, student, French was the official language of England for over 600 years. Understood? Now, about the Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a very famous city and that is in Peru region. About the Machu Picchu, is special is that is built with earthquake, means that built to withstand earthquake, and it was built on top not one fault but two fault line with the highly seismic waves. There we found stones, and that stones were purposefully built to withstand an earthquake. A special fact about the stone, during the earthquake, these stone slabs appear to be dancing form, and that were designed to fall exactly back into its place afterward. Means when the earthquake came on that time, these stone slabs come out from the earth and shown that like a dance formation, and after then again they went back in its place. Because of this, amazing landmark has remained so well preserved over the years. On 26 September 1960, the first televised presidential debate was held. That was as the then Senator John F. Kennedy take on incumbent president. What is the meaning of incumbent? Means depend. So, incumbent president Nixon, who actually turned down opportunities to refute points made by the oppositions. So, student, refute means when we claim as an unfair